Sawubona, kunjani? Okay, I want to tell you how a virus is working. First of all, a virus is not a thing that's living. It's a dead thing. It's got a protein, and inside this protein is genetic material. Now what happens with this virus? Of course we say it's not living. It is not living. He goes into your lungs and then he attaches to your cells in your lung. And then your lung cells recognize him and they're going inside that cell. Inside. Now what happens? That protein layer around the virus dissolves and now the genetic material is inside the human cell. Now that genetic material, he asks now the human cell, synthesize for me new proteins for the virus, synthesize for me new genetic material for the virus, and also assemble it, put it for me all together. And then when everything is together and there's now millions and millions of viruses in one cell, that cell lies, it means it bursts open, new viruses is being excreted, and they can go and infect other cells in the lungs.
So Prof, why is this virus dangerous for us?
Okay, the reason why it is so dangerous for us is they attacking also your red blood cells, and your red blood cells is carrying your oxygen. So if they're going inside those cells, they are causing that you're not getting enough oxygen. And it is like someone is keeping his hand on your mouth and your nose and you're not getting any oxygen in. That is what this virus is doing inside your lungs. It prevents the uptake of oxygen, and that is where the problem is lying.
We hear a lot about danger zones and it entering, droplets entering your body, and can you explain to us how does the virus get into your body?
Okay, there is the biggest danger zone is this part here. It's your mouth, it's your nose, it's your eyes. Luckily our eyes has got a fluid. It's a fluid inside that's protecting your eyes. That fluid contains lysozyme. Now lysozyme is able to break down bacteria and viruses. In your nose, there's nose hair. What is that nose hair doing? It is catching small particles, dust, small viruses, bacteria that's going to sit on the nose hair. From here, there is slime. What is the slime doing? The slime is like a glue. The virus comes, it attacks to the slime. So when I blow my nose, I blow out the slime, and that makes sure that the virus is not going into my body. In your saliva is also lysozyme. But if I breathe with my mouth open, it goes directly into my lungs. No protection. No protection. So in your eyes, the lysozyme is playing an important role. In your nose hair and the slime in your nose is playing a very important role. Number 3, in your lungs, there is some lung cilia. It's small hair. They can also protecting the virus. But if they pass through all those defense mechanisms, then they go into your lung cells. Siyabonga, salagaasli.